Hello everyone and welcome back to my more report analysis videos with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets on Friday 24th of March, looking at dollar yen. And we've seen this breakdown on dollar yen in the last few days. 1160 has been, which was that old floor from February, which was the old range floor, key range floor. That has now become the basis of resistance and a bit of a pivot as well, isn't it? On Tuesday it was basically sort of traded around the day low and then became the sort of day high. 1180 was the high, but it sort of started to find resistance around that level yesterday again. Found that as resistance, the 1160 level. So we are still posting a succession of lower highs, and today's rally high again has failed underneath that. So 1150 basically, and the market is, I think, at an interesting turning point. I think if it continues to find resistance underneath this and again closes lower today, having once more tested that 1160 resistance, I think that could be starting to really sort of put pressure on the downside. We had a close below 111 yesterday. 11 big figure, if I show you here, is a long-term pivot from 2016, key lows, and then subsequently sort of the basis of resistance on the upside. So it is a key level that I think the market will be keeping an eye on, 11 big figure. And yesterday again, 1060 was the low, and it'll be very interesting to see if that continues to the downside. Now we're basically just in a consolidation phase. As this oversold momentum unwinds, you're basically now back to neutral on the MACD lines. Stochastics falling lower, RSI failing around 60 again. It's sort of all classic, reasonably classic sort of sell tendencies, isn't it? That 89-hour moving average basis of resistance again, and I think that, as I said, if this 1160 level continues to remain resistance, I think that's going to put pressure on the downside once more. And yeah, I think the bears are still in control of this as they're sort of rebuffing a recovery play today. So it's interesting, the moves that we're seeing on this market at the moment. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.